Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at the parts of a microscope. This is a compound microscope, binocular microscope of the Labovent make, and this binocular microscope has two ocular lenses. Next, we have a nose piece over here. Then we have the lenses. This is of the 4x magnification. This is of the 10x magnification, 40x magnification, 100x magnification. This is the mechanical stage, below which we have the condenser. This condenser can be moved up and down. When visualizing under low power, I prefer to keep the condenser lowered, the diaphragm closed, especially useful for urine microscopy for seeing unstained smears. And when seeing under oil immersion, I prefer to raise the condenser and keep the iris open to allow more light to come in. The brightness can also be adjusted here. At this area, we have the adjustments for the fine adjustment and the coarse adjustment. This is the frame arm of the microscope, and this is the base of the microscope. Now I will tell a bit about the total magnifications. In the scanner, if you see, when to focus in the scanner, this 4x lens will be facing the slide will be coming here, and further to calculate the magnification, we take into account 10x for the eyepiece and 4x for the scanning objective. Likewise, under the low power, the magnification is 100 because 10x is of the eyepiece and another 10x is of the objective. For the high power, the magnification changes to 400, 10x for the eyepiece and 40x is for the objective. Same way for the oil immersion. 1000x, 10x is for the eyepiece and 100x for the objective.